Hello everyone, my name is Siyabonga Forex Lover and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. If you are new, consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and I'd like to highlight the fact that when I say subscribe, I don't force anyone to subscribe, but please subscribe based on the value that you are getting on this channel. If you like the videos, the type of videos that you see, you like the content and everything, then consider subscribing and liking and everything. So it's not like we're gonna punch you in the face when you are not subscribing. So by the way, this is Forex Basics Part 2. And if you are watching this video, I presume you have watched the previous video about Forex Basics Part 1, because this one is a continuation of the previous video. Hopefully that you will learn and gain more insights on Forex trading, like what is Forex and stuff and everything. So by the way, let's dive straight to it. Okay. The first topic of the day is fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? It is the use of economic, political, and social information. Okay, before I go further, I want to clarify that this is where you read new reports, and those reports can be quarterly reports and annual reports. So one thing to highlight that is those reports can be available for free on certain websites like investing.com, like Forex Factory, and so on and so forth. There are so many websites out there that provides those reports. reports. So by the way, if you are going to use this information, that means you must know or learn a fundamental trading strategy, which is a strategy that trades based on news volatility. Whether there is a strategy just gonna sell or buy based on the information or reports that you are going to get. All right. So another thing is you need to find a way to make use of this information. So there's traders in my country who call the same fundamental traders. I won't mention the names. Sorry, whatever country you're watching from, there's somebody who's specializing on fundamental trading analysis or fundamental trading strategy. So you need to find those people, connect with those people. If you need to pay those people so that you can learn their strategy, do so, pay them. Or else you learn it for free online, and you can also get their paid PDF free. There is a way of doing that. So let me know if you want to know how in the comment section. Let's move along to technical analysis. I know that we have talked briefly about technical analysis, but now it's time that we go a little bit in depth on what is technical analysis. Technical analysis, the analysis of price movement. You study price patterns, and an example of a price pattern is a flag pattern. Okay, by that I mean price move based on time, and price can move up, it can move down, it can move sideways. So you need to learn how to read or analyze this price movement, whether price is going to move up, down, or sideways, so that you can capitalize on the move. And another types of price pattern is head and shoulder pattern, double top pattern, triple top, and triple bottom, inverse head and shoulder, and so on and so forth. There are so many. So I would suggest you as a beginner, choose one or two, then learn them, practice them, master them, and make money with them. Okay? Forex requires hard work. Remember my video about why trading is difficult. Okay? You study charts. By that I mean candlestick analysis. Okay, if you are going to perform technical analysis, it means you study charts, and by that I mean the candlesticks. So you need to know those candlesticks movement, those candlestick names, what are they representing, what are they symbolizing, and then you'll be able to capitalize on a technical analysis trading strategy. By the way, I'm a technical analyst. Okay, I specialize in technical analysis, if you didn't know me. By technical analysis, I'm referring to things like zones, trend lines, Fibonacci, and many more. Okay, so in other words, you need a strategy that is going to trade based on horizontal, not vertical, horizontal zones. Those horizontal zones, we call them support and resistance. Some call them supply and demand. And also you can find a strategy that trade based on trend lines and trade based on Fibonacci ratio or Fibonacci extension or just a simple Fibonacci indicator. All right. Let's move along to slide 4 about news events. Okay. The most important thing that you need to know is there are 3 types of news. We have low impact news, medium impact news, and high impact news. All right. For low impact news, we're expecting low volatility, meaning there isn't much movement or impact on your trade. So usually low impact news, you don't even trade them, but medium impact and high impact news are the one that we consider trading. So also what I want to mention about this news, you must always be aware of upcoming medium impact news and high impact news, especially high impact news. You can't go and do your technical analysis and then place a trade just because you see a trading signal or just because you feel like trading, but you must first go to your website and check those news and then trade based on those news. Otherwise your trade might be jeopardized and you might find yourself losing over and over again, only to find out that the issue was you entering trades before high impact news or medium impact news. Okay, let's move along to slide 5. Market structure. There are so many ways to define market structure, and I provided you this example of market structure. As you see that the market was going up and then the market formed a double top, and then the last high low before that double top formed, it was broken, and then price made a new structure low, and then a lower high was made and a new structure low was made, and then a wedge formation was formed, aka you can say it is a triangle pattern. It was formed, then the market continued and reversed the direction. Actually not continued, and the market reversed after the triangle or wedge pattern. And actual fact, when I say market structure, what needs to come in your mind first? Your mind must tell you that, oh, this guy is talking about lower highs and lower lows and higher highs and higher lows. All right, that's all I can say about market structure, because market structure is it's a deep topic for another day. I will consider sharing videos, more advanced videos on this market structure. Let's move along. Let's talk about time frames. Okay, there are various time frames available to trade with. When you are an advanced trader, you will be able to use multiple time frames analysis on your trading. Okay, meaning when you're advanced enough, you will be able to analyze 1 hour and then check for confirmation on the 4 hour and the daily. That's an example. And the reason for doing that, we are doing it for confluence sake. What is confluence? Confluence is 2 or more things that are coming together to confirm a particular direction or particular trade. Okay, but at least you must use at least 3 confluences. For instance, you can use a confluence of a pin bar, a Fibonacci, a trend line. Those 3 things are coming together on a specific area. That is a confluence confluence for your trading. So be mindful of that. Now let's go to 4 types of market order. Okay, we have the market order, which is an order placed at current price. Okay, meaning if we were looking now at your screen, deciding that you want to trade, let's say Euro USD, and then you say, you know what, it's the right time now to enter, let me buy or sell. The moment you press that buy or sell button, you are doing a market order, which is you are buying or selling at current price. Then we have a stop loss order. Let's say after buying the market, you must place a stop loss order. What is a stop loss order? It's an area where you want your broker platform to automatically close a trade for you when you are wrong. It means when you are buying or selling, you have an expectation that you're going to make money and be right. Also at the back of your mind or at the front of your mind, because some traders are afraid of loss. So you must make sure that you're going to put your stop loss order below current price if you are buying and above current price if you are selling. Let's move along to a limit order. What is a limit order? First and foremost, we have buy limit and sell limit under limit order, which we'll explain a little bit later. And then we have a stop order, which is a buy stop order and a sell stop order. Okay, what is a buy stop? A buy stop, actually let's start with the buy limit. What is a buy limit? A buy limit is an order placed below current price with an expectation that price is gonna go below, deep below, and then reverse and go up, meaning that the market was retracing back down before continuing up, or price was going down before reversing the direction completely and go up. Hopefully that I have simplified a buy limit. Then we have a sell limit. A limit is an order placed above current price, with an anticipation that the market is going to go up and reverse reverse the direction to go down. It's going to go up a little bit, then reverse the direction to down. Okay, an example of a sell limit will be putting a sell limit at the resistance area that is above the current price. Let's go to the buy stop. What is a buy stop? Is an order placed above current price, which is if this is a current price, you put a buy stop with an anticipation that the market is gonna trigger the buy stop and continue going up. What is a sell stop? Is an order placed below current price with an expectation that the market is going to trigger your sell stop and then it is going to continue going down. So buy stop and sell stop are more for continuation trading or trend trading. So let's move along to take profit. There's something called take profit. So in other words, after entering your trade, you must set yourself a profit target, meaning an area where your trade will close automatically when you are in the money. It will close automatically when you are in the money. So you must be very, very, very mindful of that. Trailing stop. Trailing stop is the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 functionality to move your stop loss along as your trade continues to go in your favor until it gets taken out with a small or huge runner. In other words, when the market is going down, you want to trail your trade based maybe because there are various methods of trailing your stop. You can trail your stop using a moving average, using a structure which is lower lows and lower highs. You can use your trailing stop based on that and move your stop loss into profit so that you can protect your money, the money that you have already made. So that's all I want to share about trailing stops. And then we have account types. Okay, so account types, it means after you have learned Forex Basics Part 1 and this Forex Basics Part 2, it means that you already have basic knowledge or basic understanding what is Forex and how Forex operates. So now it's time for you to find a broker platform that you are going to trade with, and then after finding that broker, use that broker to open an account. So there under those brokers, there are various account types that you can find, such as the one that I have mentioned in this document, which is STP Straight Through Processing, ECN Electronic Communications Networks Hybrid. Okay, those types of we have those types of brokers. We have brokers that we have brokers that have dealing desks, which we regard them as market maker brokers, and we have brokers that operates with no dealing desk, which is this STP and ECN, which is they're both under no dealing desks. So that's all you need to know about the account types. And account types come come with different benefits. Some come with small spreads. Some comes with small swap and stuff, small trading fees. You know, most in this trading we have those things like swap and things like spread as a cost of doing business. So different brokers offers different cost of doing business. So when you are choosing a broker and choosing an account types or account type, you make sure that you are going to choose wisely. And if you need any advice on that, feel free to comment down in the comment section and leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Thanks a lot, everyone. I'd like to thank everyone who are supporting me on these videos, and I hope to help all the new beginner traders, all the struggling traders, which is intermediate traders. And even if you're an advanced trader, I'm sure you will learn 1 or 2 new things on this channel. And I'd like to promise you that there's a lot that is still coming. There's a lot that is still coming. So in those words, I'll see you next time when I create a new video. Stay safe and stay blessed, everyone.